Hello and welcome back to Kids Coding Playground. Today I'll be going through 1.12 to 1.14 for SuperKarel on CodeHS. We'll be learning about if else loops, and while loops. Okay, so let's go to our first program, 1.12.5, Is there a ball? So let's read the assignment. So if there's a ball in the first spot, move once, otherwise put a ball down and then move once. Carol should end up on the second column in the first row, and there should be ball at 1, comma 1. Okay. Okay. All right. So first thing, let's do a start function. So let's do function start, and we're gonna do a if statement. So if you look at the dots right here, an if statement, this is how we should be formatting it. If and condition. You can see. So this is how we're gonna use it. If condition. So we're gonna say like if front is clear or if no balls are present, we're gonna use these Carol conditions inside the if statement. Okay. So we're gonna say if no balls present. So if there's no balls are present, we're gonna have to make it move forward and put a ball. So we're gonna say put ball. So if there's no balls present, we're gonna say put ball, and then we're gonna say move. All right, there should be one more forward. And else, not else. We're gonna do another if statement. If balls present. This is another given Carol statement. So if there is a ball, then we're just gonna move and not put down anything. All right, and then close this off. All right, so let's run it. Let's run the program. Yep, and it is correct because there's a ball. It is gonna move forward and not place down anything. All right, so that is 1.12.5. Alrighty, here we have 1.13.5. This is, we're gonna have to apply if-else statements to the program. So let's look at the assignment. Carol got spun around and is facing the wrong direction. Carol could be facing south or west, and you need to get Carol back to facing east. You must use an if-else statement here. Okay, so first of all, we're going to have start function, so function start, and then we're going to say if Carol's facing the south, we're going to make him turn left. So if he's facing south, from his perspective, all he has to do is turn left to make it face east again. All right. But if he's facing either west or north, we're gonna have to make him turn left 2 times from his perspective to make it turn get to east. So what we're gonna do is do if facing south. So this is actually a given statement from here, given Carol condition. So if facing south, we're gonna use that one. So if facing south, don't forget the double parentheses. So if facing south, we're going to say turn left because it's from Carol's perspective. Just a turning left will make it go east. Else, we're going to do that. And then we're going to say turn left. And then we're going to say turn left 2 times. Okay, so turn left twice. And okay, so let's run it. It should be correct. Yep. So as you can see, right there is facing south. So all you have to do is just turn left 1 time. All right. So next, let's go to 1.14. Here we have 1.14.4. We're going to have to apply while loops to this one. All right. So first, let's read the assignment. Follow the yellow ball road. While Carol's on top of the ball, Carol should move once. At the end of the program, Carol will have reached the end. And this much works. Any length of road, even 0, and you can assume that the road will end before Carol will walk into the wall. Okay. Okay, so first, we're going to say function start. Function start. Sorry. It's a new keyboard, so not very used to it. Function start, and then we're going to say while. We're going to use balls present because that is, you can go to docs. Balls present is a given condition. Balls present, so while balls are present, so if there's a ball in front or on, if Carol's on top of a ball, we're going to say move. All right. So I think that should get it. Let's run it. So he's on balls. We're going to keep moving, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. And there's no more balls, so he's going to stop. Right. So that's exactly how we want it. Next shot, we got it. All right, so let's move on to the next one. All right, here we got 1.14.5. So in this one, we are going to read the assignment. Let's see. Write code to lay down a row of tennis balls using a while loop. All right, that's pretty easy. So let's do a function start, same thing. And then we're going to use again, you can just reference the docs whenever you want. I think the best one right here would be front is clear. So we're going to use while front is clear. So function start while uh, front is clear. So we want to check if it's not running into the wall. So while front is clear, we can say put ball and then move. And then finally, we want to, as you can see at the end, we want to have a ball in every single spot. So if I just run this, as you can see, there's no ball there, right? Because we have a while loop and it'll only put a ball if the front is clear. So at the end, after this, we just want to say put ball so we can finish off the last one. So let's run it, slow it down a little bit. So keep going. And as you can see at the end, it ran the put ball, the final one, to finish off the road. So we got it. All right, so here we have our final program for the video, big tower. So we want to make a tall tower, tennis balls. Carol could be in any column. All right, got it. Okay. So basically, you just want to make a tower, and he can be facing any direction. Okay, so first, obviously, we need the function start, and then we're going to say, so if Carol's facing south, we want to make it face north, right? So we're going to have to make it turn twice. So turn left 2 times. We can say function start if facing south. Remember, that's a given condition from the documents. You can check that. We're going to say turn left, and then we're going to do that twice. All right. And then we can make a while loop right here. Sorry. Say while facing east. Um, so whenever Carol's facing east, we just have to make him turn 1 time to the left from his perspective to go north. So we're going to say while facing east, turn left. All right. Okay. And then when he's facing west, while facing west, sorry, I forgot the parentheses. West. While facing west, we want it to make it turn right because in his perspective, it would just be turning right to face north. So we could say turn right. All right. And then we want to make it place balls, obviously. So we're going to say while front is clear. So if the wall is not getting blocked by the wall, we're going to say put ball, and then we're going to say move. And then just like the other scenario I showed you, because we have this while loop while the front is clear, once it hits the wall, it's not going to put a ball, right? So we're going to have to put one final ball. So we're going to say put ball right here outside of the loop. All right, so let's run it. Put ball, put ball, put ball. And when it reaches the top, it places the final one because of this one, and it's correct. There we got our ball tower. All right, so there we have it. CodeHS 1.12 to 1.14. If else, and while loops. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bells, hit everything. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.